Assalamualaikum. Hello guys, how are you? I hope that you all are fine. Um, Today I'm going to present you such a technique. By using the technique, you will be able to design a reinforced concrete beam just in 2 seconds. Okay. Uh, you can do it by following two steps only, and you can do it in 2 seconds. Okay. So the category, it's a problem of category 1, which states that design concrete dimension and river area to resist a given factor moment. Okay, but in this problem we are going to quickly design the concrete dimension. Okay, and the method is according to the strength design method by ACI 318 committee, and all the assumptions, the formula as used here are derived from the based on the assumptions of ACI 318 committee. Okay, provided by ACI 318 committee. So let's get started. It's a problem number 3. It states that find out concrete cross section to resist a factored moment of 1670 kip-in. The material strengths are F prime c equals to 4 ksi, Fy equals to 60 ksi. Okay, the solution is, we are given the factored moment mu equals to 1670 kip-in, F prime c equals to 4 ksi, Fy equals to 60 ksi. And before beginning, let's assume that b equals to 10 inch. You can assume b equal to 12 inch, 11 inch, 13 inch, 14 inch, um, according to your intention. Okay, according to your desire, no problem. Okay, or you can assume that b equals to 0.5d, etc, etc. Okay, no problem. Now step 1, the solution begins with the step 1. We have to determine the value of beta 1. Okay, the beta 1 is given by this expression. You can, the beta 1, the limit, there is a limit of beta 1 between 0.65 and 0.85. Okay, so just put the value of beta 1 in this expression in psi unit and calculate the value of beta 1. Okay, we have got in this problem beta 1 equals to 0.85. So step 1 is completed. Now let's move to the second step. The step number 2 involves the calculation of effective depth. Okay, the effective depth is given by the following magical expression. Okay, that is d equals to root over mu divided by 0.25 beta 1 minus 0.05 beta 1 square times a prime cb. You may think that from where this expression is derived, but actually I have simplified this equation by applying a lots of equation, and of course the expression is derived based on the assumptions of SCI code for designing a tension controlled section. Okay, actually it's a tension control section. For designing a tension control section, you must follow this expression. Okay, there is no error. I have applied it in uh, plenty of problems and no problem is found. Okay, so you can use it, and you also check it by applying this formula in various problem. Okay, so let's do it. So we are already given the value of mu. Now put the value of mu and the calculated, put the value of beta 1 calculated before this step. Okay, put the value of prime c and b. Now putting all these values in this equation and using calculator, we get the value D equals to 15.38 inch, which is near equal to 15.5 inch. Okay, now the step number 3 is to define the size of the beam. Okay, so according to our assumption, B equals to 10 inch and D equal to 15.5 inch. Here is the detailing of the site. Okay. You so now you see that you can do it all, but in only 2 seconds. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, like, share and comment, and please subscribe to my channel to keep learning with me. Thanks a lot from Civil Engineering by Al Mamun. Assalamu alaikum.